Heyo, it's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Michael of Greeley, Colorado. I made a claim after having a roofing company come inspect and showed me that my commercial property had roof and gutter damage. Insurance company just agreed to pay half the roof and a small part of some of the siding. I wouldn't recommend this company to anybody. What a bad company. After charging me a lot of money for my insurance for years, they just sent me a letter to tell me they won't renew my policy for a small claim they've paid for. Yeah. It just depends. I mean, there's so many things that go into this, but ultimately this is the deal, is you want to make sure, okay, and you've heard me say this before, is that you have the right policy first, the right coverage first, and then price second. I think a lot of people shop on price for insurance, and for your property, that's probably not the best way to go about doing it. What you really want to do is make sure you have the right coverage at the right time for the right property and other things that you might own, and then look at the price, and then shop multiple companies. And I always say, if you're not looking around every 2 years for your insurance, I think you're doing yourself a disservice, because a lot of times the same company that you have might have taken losses in a different state. Now the rates are going up and you're wondering why. Just look around. You can usually, okay, not always, but usually find just as good or better coverage for the same price or less, right? Because different companies take different losses, different years, different times, different places. So if you don't look around every 2 years, you're probably not getting the best coverage then at the best price. So if you're running into an issue with your insurance company and they're not paying the claim fairly, what you need to do is contact us today, bellatorclaims.com, and then we will help you figure out what's possible for your claim.